A number line can be used to explore various concepts, such as rounding, computation, fractions, elapsed time, and multiplication. This video will show how to use a number line to model rounding. First, have your child create a 2 or 3-digit number to practice rounding to the nearest tens or hundreds. In this example, we'll use the number 87. When rounding 87 to the nearest 10, I notice that the number 87 is between 80 and 90. So I'm going to write this on my number line. I'm going to put 80 on one side and 90 on the other. In between 80 and 90 is 85. So I'll mark that on my number line as well. I'll put a dash in between with the number 85. The number 87 is closer to 90 than 80. Therefore, when rounding to the nearest 10, 87 rounds to 90. As I look at the spaces between 85 and 90, I can almost imagine equal parts: 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So I can add 87 on my number line too. This helps me to visually see how 87 rounds to 90. If you have an older child, they can use the number line to practice rounding larger numbers. We can create a 4-digit number and round to the nearest 10, 100, or 1,000. Let's take this number for example, 8,214. If I want to round to the nearest 100, then I would create my number line to show the distance between the hundreds. So I would start on this side by saying 8,200. And on the other side of my number line, I would say 8,300. And I'm looking to see what number would be in the middle of that, and that would be 8,250. So I'm going to add that number to our number line as well. Now let's look back at our original number. We have 8,214. And when I'm looking at this number line, I'm again thinking of the parts that lead up between the numbers. So between 8,200 and 8,250, I'm almost imagining little segments of 10. So 8,200, 8,210, 8,220, 8,230, 8,240, 8,250. And the 14 is somewhere in here between the 8,210, about right here, and 8,220, about right here. So I'm going to put a little X right there, and we're going to say that's where 8,214 might be. Slide that down. So visually, we can help our child see rounding by adding in the distance from here. That shows that it's closer to 8,200 versus this distance going this way. Wow, that's a lot more to go to 8,300. So if I was rounding this number, 8,214, to the nearest 100, then I would be rounding back to 8,200. Have fun rounding with your number line.